What up guys, Backyard Scientist here, and today we're making dry ice bombs and throwing them in the pool. Check it out. Alright, for this experiment you'll need dry ice. It's actually easy to find. Most grocery stores have it. Just ask somebody that works there. Once you have it, break it into small pieces and push it into the water bottle. Now, I was curious what would happen to a person if they were in the water when this went off, so I filled up a bunch of balloons with air and put them underwater to simulate your body cavities. I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to be anywhere near this when it went off underwater.